Hey everybody, it's Dan here with Feldmann Imports, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. And today we're going to be highlighting the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 4MATIC. This vehicle is for sale. Comes in a black exterior. We've got a black leather interior. And yeah, today we're just going to kind of show you some of those exterior and interior features. We won't go too super in-depth, but you know, a nice little overview for you. Of course, if you're interested in learning more, you have any questions, you want to set up a test drive, we'd love to chat with you. Just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we do have blind spot assist here on the vehicle. We've got this nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle as well. We've got power, memory, heated seats. We also have the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker package. Take a look at our driver's seat. Sunroof stretching from the front to the rear. Do have a heated steering wheel. Just get your control right there for that. And there is our steering wheel. Now let's go ahead and hop inside. So, mileage currently at 37,553 with a push-button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display. So this is currently showing our our climate controls. There we go. So you do have physical climate control buttons down here. You can see we have our LED ambient lighting, which we have the climate effect activated. So if you hit up to increase the temperature, it actually flashes red, as you can see there. If you decrease temperature, it flashes blue. Just kind of a fun little effect there. Yeah, all physical buttons here, but then you also have the menu right up here. All right, there's our navigation. There we go. Navigation here, of course, this also is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And there's our radio and backup camera. So we have a ton of different cameras. You know, we've got our rear camera. You also have this overhead view, which is super helpful for parking. And then you can just press here to, got our side view, front camera, and parking assist is also a part of this vehicle too. Okay, so below our display, below our climate controls, we've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone. We've got a couple USB connections, cup holders. Then we have another way to control your menu. Your display is with this touchpad here. In addition to the touchscreen and our touchpad, you also have controls on your steering wheel here. So this right one is for your main display. You also have one on this left side, which is for your driver interface, which is all fully customizable as well. Okay, we also have our dynamic select switch here, which is how you'll switch between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road or even off-road. There's also some quick select buttons here for your parking cameras, for vehicle settings, quickly access your navigation, radio or telephone if you've got that installed. Let's see what else we got here. So we've got all kinds of stuff we could talk about here, but mostly I just want to highlight the sunroof controls. Super easy just to press back or forward to open or close your sunroof. And we have our Mercedes-Benz shifter here, which you just flip up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera. Flip down for drive, and then push in for park. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out and show you a few more things here. Alright, so looking at our rear seats here next. Again, wood grain accent trim, LED lighting throughout, Burmester sound system. And we've got our rear seats here. Do another quick peek up at our sunroof. And let's take a look, one more look back up front. Okay, let's come around to the rear next. So we've got our GLE 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, plenty of storage space, and of course you can always flip down those rear seats if you need a little extra storage. Push button to close. And that is our 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more, you have any questions, or you want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.